Hi, I'm Valentino Rossi, and if you like our content, like and subscribe for more.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me.
Welcome back to my channel Z MotoGP. Here I will tell you about MotoGP and other races, which are actually trusted and up to date. If you want to receive information back from us, please subscribe, like, share and ring the bell. Thanks a lot. The return of Marc Marquez to MotoGP seems to be getting closer after the 8-time world champion is seen again hitting motorbike racing. Marc Marquez had lost the privilege of riding a motorbike on the racetrack due to an injury to the humerus bone in his right arm. The ant from Cervera accepted the risk of having his arm bandaged again when he decided that his right arm would be operated on for the 4th time since the tragic accident at the 2020 Spanish MotoGP race. Marquez had to wait nearly 2 months since his operation in the United States in early June before being given the green light to train with his Iron Horse again. A wide smile was finally shown by Marquez after undergoing his first practice with a racing motorbike. "Today I can't stop smiling," Marquez said on Twitter. "After a big struggle, I'm back on my motorbike again. Thank you to all of you who always support me. Keep it up." Marquez's return to the track was already planned. Honda needed input from Marquez during the official IRTA test at the Misano circuit on 6 to 7 September in order to end the crisis that has been going on since the mainstay rider was injured. Even if not for 100 laps, but only 4 laps, Marquez's participation in the test will be very important, said Honda team manager, Alberto Puig. Marquez is already eyeing a comeback at the end of this season. According to him, live performances on the track are a crucial step in his struggle to return to his former level. "When I'm ready, I'll be back because it's important to be able to prepare for 2023, said Marquez. "When I feel 70 to 80% can ride a MotoGP bike well, I will come back. Because for the last stage of his rehabilitation, the best way to do it is to be on the bike. You can't wait to be 100% just yet,"